In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter coins by category in CoinMarketCap. If you're looking to refine your cryptocurrency search and understand the market better, filtering by categories can be a powerful tool. Let's walk through this process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First, we will navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. This platform is a comprehensive resource for all things cryptocurrency, providing real-time data, rankings, charts, and a lot more. So, open up your preferred web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com. Once you have accessed the website, you will find yourself on the homepage, which displays a list of cryptocurrencies and their latest market data. Now that we're on CoinMarketCap's homepage, our next task is to find the cryptocurrencies section. This is quite easy to locate. Look towards the top navigation bar on the page, where you will see several options. Click on the section labeled Cryptocurrencies. This option will take us to a more detailed view of all cryptocurrencies available on CoinMarketCap, allowing you to dive into the different details and data points provided for each coin. With the cryptocurrencies section open, we are ready to filter by categories. On the top menu bar, you'll find a tab named Categories. Clicking on this tab will take you to a page specifically designed for viewing different cryptocurrency categories. This page organizes coins into various categories, such as DeFi, NFTs, and more, each of which represents a unique segment of the cryptocurrency market. Once you access the categories page, you can explore the various categories available. Each category groups cryptocurrencies that share common attributes or purposes. For instance, you can look into categories like decentralized finance, which includes coins related to financial applications developed on top of blockchain technologies, or non-fungible tokens, focusing on coins used in digital art, collectibles, and games. Now comes the exciting part. When you find a category that piques your interest, simply click on it to delve deeper into the specific coins listed under that category. This can give you valuable insights into how these coins perform within their sector and allow you to compare them against each other. You can evaluate their market capitalization, trading volumes, and other metrics that CoinMarketCap provides. By following these simple steps, you're able to filter coins in CoinMarketCap by their categories effectively. This can enhance your understanding of the blockchain ecosystem and aid in making informed decisions about which coins to invest your time and resources in. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to navigate through the many cryptocurrencies available today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions,